Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the before and after and the full process. Well, a couple steps I'm not gonna show you guys because you know he's got a secret sauce. So I'm gonna show you guys the before and after, mainly the SRT brass monkey wheels getting redone, because after, was it 6 years of owning this thing, there's a little bit of curb rash here and there, obviously dipping in the dirt when drifting. These rims have had I don't know how many sets of tires on it, so that could be a little tire shop error too. But see, as you can see, curb rash. This one isn't too bad, nothing too major, you know, no cracks or nothing like that. But got my guy here. What's going on, bro?
What's good, man? What's good?
Sir,
anywhere in the bay.
As you can see, bro's pulling up on me at the house. I'm not. You do that to everyone? For everyone? Okay, so yeah.
Fully mobile.
Do your wheels in your garage or whatever.
Just need some light if it's late. That's it.
So there was a full process trying to get the paint, these brass monkey wheels. When they went like 2017, 2018, they changed the brass monkey color. It went like to a more silver, dark gray color rather than a brass color. Apparently there's two different paint codes. One for the older style brass monkey wheels, because these are like 2016. Went on to a couple Hellcat forums and got the actual paint code. So I'll post a picture of the actual paint code, giving you guys a little inside scoop. Try to make it spot on and match these wheels perfectly. But bro's about to get started. So obviously, if you don't have common sense, this process is to smooth out all of like the little cracks and things. That way when you paint, you won't have any like chips or anything that's noticeable. It'll be a smooth surface.
Just to make it clear, you got bars. That's all tire damage when they put the tires on.
Yeah.
No curb.
That's not me hitting the curb.
That is not you hitting the curb. No matter how like perfect that paint is, you gotta blend that in.
Yeah.
So you gotta go all the way around on here.
Yeah, because some people will just try to do like this little spot and then blend that little section. It's not gonna look right.
You gotta go all around.
Got the initial outer part all sanded down. Now what are you gonna do, wet sand?
It's gonna be a wet sand, so it's a little bit finer, so the surface gets a little bit finer, so the paint sticks on better.
Alright, so after the wet sand,
a 3-step process. After you finish that 3-step process, you're ready for the paint. Any scratches you can't see, you'll feel with your fingers. So
little baby ones don't really matter too much.
Especially when we're on there on the edge. Like if it's on either side, I'll do it because there's nothing. But if they're right on the edge, it's not worth it.
Wheel all taped up, getting ready to spray. Obviously gonna have to do some more. Keep that that white caliper nice and white. All right, prep, ready to go to paint. You ready?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Let's do it. So yeah, as you guys can see, the edge nice and sanded down. No scratches, no nicks, nothing. Wax and grease removed. Now we're ready to spray.
See, they made it just enough to where if you blend it in, it looks all right. You see that? And then with the satin clear coat, it'll settle down a little bit, but it's a pretty solid match.
Yeah.
With a flashlight on there, yeah, that's a solid ass match, bro.
Yeah, it looks pretty similar.
And then when you hit it with the satin clear coat, It gives it that flat look, because right now it's a little bit glossier than the rest. So
yeah,
that's the thing. If you got the wrong clear coat on there, that's everything looks wrong.
nah, but for real, these rims were messed up for a while. I've always wanted to get them done, and it's funny because I ran into bro at a car meet, right? He gave me his card and stuff. That's how we linked up. Probably a week away from getting these powder coated. I was about to go get them re-powder coated, but bro said he could fix them, so probably another coat or so. And then bro said he's gonna blend it and then you're gonna do a satin or a metallic.
I'm gonna do a satin clear on it, so it doesn't look so glossy on there.
Okay.
Let it sit for a minute before I do that, though.
Yeah, let it dry a little bit. Yeah, way better already.
See how it settles that paint?
Yeah.
And it matches it right up. That also provides the fucking protection. 3 years minimum, so ain't no company guaranteeing 3 years. That's all I'm saying.
So this is the finished product. The wheel looks brand new. Obviously, like we were saying, there's little tiny scratches and shit we're not gonna fuck with, but mainly focused on the outer portion where the like curb rash and shit was. Looks like a brand new wheel. Shout out to my guy though. Hit him up for any wheel repair needs, touch ups, any color, as long as it's not chrome, right?
As long as it's not chrome, I could work on it. If you got some silver wheels, bro, black them out. Come on now, black them out.
But yeah, he could do that too, so hit him up. So this is the other side. This side is still drying, as you can see, but this wheel looks very, very nice. So we just sanded all the other sides, all the other wheels, knock the rest of them out real fast. This wheel just got a little bit of rash, so show you what it looks like when he finishes. So it's been a few. Let me give you guys an update. Almost every single wheel done. He's just working on the last one, but check this out. The very first one that he did, he's working on the back one. I'll show you that one in a second. Got the other front one finished. Looking good, looking good. As you can see, no more curb rash. This back one, same thing. All 4 wheels look brand new. Looking good, looking good. But yeah, bro's like, I'm never doing this color again.
Never going on this. If you got this color, do not hit me up, please, bro.
Or he's charging double.
Oh, triple, bro.
So,
double ain't enough.
But yeah, this is a really difficult color to try and match.
That clear coat really fucks you. I'm pulling these off.
So yeah, tell them about your warranties and stuff like that.
You got 2 years warranty. That's again on anything unless I tell you not to use chemicals and you're using chemicals.
Yeah.
If you're not using harsh chemicals or anything like that, 2 years, anything that happens unless you recurb it, then it's a discount, but everything else is covered. Any type of fading, let's say the color starts not matching, rarely happens. But you got 2 years warranty, I'll have that in contract.
As you guys can see, great work. So make sure you guys hit him up. Come book your appointments. Bro just finished up. He took off, but I'm gonna pop up his IG right here. Make sure you guys hit him up, book your appointments, because bro spent hella time on these wheels and did a great ass job, not gonna lie. So this is the front driver's side. I don't know if you remember what it looked like before, but it definitely did not look like this. This is the rear driver's side. Clean. Back left one. This one had quite a bit of damage. Not anymore. And last but not least, the passenger front. No more curb rash. Finally. So huge shout out to bro for coming out and knocking these wheels out. I'll show you guys a before and after side-by-side picture so you can really tell the difference. But yeah, turned out amazing. I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. Stay tuned for Monday's video. Gonna be a huge merch drop. So if you're interested in supporting the channel, which I would really appreciate, head over to HELLOOO Clothing and grab you some new merch. But that's the end of this one. Thank you guys. Deuces.
In Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if to win or crash the car trying to win?
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
that's what I'm talking about. That phrase, trademark, not tradition, Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.